If your iPhone screen is flickering, flashing, or constantly changing brightness, don't panic. In many cases, this problem can be fixed without replacing your phone. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that can help stop the flickering and get your iPhone working normally again. Step 1. Restart the iPhone. The first thing you should try is a simple restart. Temporary software glitches can sometimes cause display issues, and restarting the device clears out many of those problems. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears. Slide to power off, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn the phone back on. Once your iPhone restarts, check to see if the flickering has stopped. Step 2. Check for software updates. If the problem continues, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it and allow your phone to restart. Apple frequently releases updates that fix bugs and display-related issues. Step 3. Disable auto brightness. Sometimes screen flickering can be related to automatic brightness adjustments. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, then scroll down and turn off auto brightness. Use your phone for a few minutes and see if the flickering improves. Step 4. Turn off True. Tone and night shift. Certain display settings can occasionally cause unusual screen behavior. Open Settings, then Display and Brightness. Turn off True Tone if it's enabled. Next, tap Night Shift and disable it as well. After making these changes, monitor the screen to see if the issue is resolved. Step 5. Remove recently installed apps. If the flickering started after installing a specific app, that app may be causing the problem. Try deleting any recently installed apps and then restart your iPhone. A poorly optimized app can sometimes create display issues or cause the system to behave unexpectedly. Step 6. Check storage space. Low storage can sometimes cause strange performance problems. Go to Settings General, then iPhone Storage. If your storage is nearly full, try removing unnecessary apps, videos, or photos to free up space. Step 7. Reset all settings. If nothing has worked so far, you can try resetting all settings. Go to Settings General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This will not erase your photos, videos, or personal data, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi passwords, display settings, and system preferences. Step 8. Hardware issues. If your screen is still flickering after trying all of these steps, there may be a hardware problem. This is especially common if the phone has been dropped, exposed to water, or has had a previous screen replacement. In that case, you may need to contact Apple support or visit an authorized repair center for further diagnosis. Outro. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed your iPhone screen flickering problem. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.